Okay, so I started with my wake up chili, and I'll post the link to my video on YouTube for the wake up chili. But, you know, preparing for the holidays, one of the things that makes it so much less stressful is to think about what you're going to have and cook and get things ready ahead of time. So I'm going to make the chili cornbread casseroles. So I'm going to make one for tonight and one for next week. So, and now you can make this in one pan if you want to. But like I said, I started with my wake up chili and separated it into two 8x8 pans. And I'm going to show you a little trick. I have the chili and I'm going to put a layer of cheese on the top. This just forms some separation and it keeps the juices from the chili on the chili instead of soaking into the cornbread. Now, I love using our Pampered Chef chili mix on my wake up chili. And be sure to grate your own cheese so you won't have cellulose or starch on it. Okay, so we've got the cheese layer ready. And I'm going to put the cornbread. Now, this is Pampered Chef's new sweet cornbread. I follow the directions mostly. I use milk instead of buttermilk. And I also put a quarter cup of sour cream and a cup of Colby Jack cheese. Now I'm going to separate this into the two dishes. And I'm going to bake at 425. And I'll come back and show you what it looks like when they're done. Be sure and spread your cornbread out evenly. You don't want it thicker in the middle than it is on the sides because you want it to cook with an even coating. Now, one of the dishes I'm not going to cook all the way because I'm going to freeze it. Again, I'll be back shortly to show you what it looks like. So here we are, ready to go in the oven. As you see, the chili cornbread casseroles are ready and out of the oven. The one in the back is cooked a little bit shorter time because that one's going to be frozen for next week. And this one is for tonight. These are our two non-stick 8x8 pans. This is the Brilliance. This is the regular one. And I love dressing my one bowl meal with a little cheese. And I like Colby Jack. And a little sour cream, little green onions, and little black olives if you wish. As I always tell you, give someone your beautiful smile today. Makes you feel good inside, and you just could make someone's day. See you later.